Diabetes is a prevalent global concern, characterized by elevated blood glucose levels. Managing carbohydrate and fat intake is crucial for individuals with diabetes to maintain stable glucose levels. Although many assume that fruits, rich in carbohydrates and sugars, should be avoided by those with diabetes, this notion is unfounded. Numerous fruits, despite their sugar content, do not significantly elevate blood sugar levels and can be enjoyed safely. Opting for whole fruits over fruit juices is important. This discussion delves into 7 such diabetes-friendly fruits. Number 1. Grapes. Grapes offer abundant nutrients and antioxidants that confer various health benefits. Studies suggest a link between higher consumption of whole fruits like grapes and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. They provide essential vitamins and minerals while being low in calories and fat. Number 2. Berries. Berries are packed with nutrients and phytochemicals, potentially mitigating several chronic conditions, including diabetes. Varieties such as cranberries, blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries have been shown to reduce post-meal blood sugar levels in those with insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. Including berries in the diet can improve glycemic and lipid profiles. Number 3. Pomegranates. Regarded as a superfruit, pomegranates are rich in fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Studies indicate their positive impact on insulin sensitivity and blood lipid profiles. Additionally, their antioxidant content contributes to anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Number 4. Cherries. Cherries boast antioxidant anthocyanins that can aid blood sugar control by boosting insulin production. These antioxidants possess potential anti-diabetic properties, enhancing the overall health benefits of cherries. Number 5. Citrus fruits. Oranges and grapefruits are rich in flavonoids, compounds with anti-diabetic potential. Flavonoids have been associated with improved insulin resistance and beta cell function in the pancreas. Citrus fruits also offer essential micronutrients like vitamin C. Number 6. Avocado. Low in carbohydrates and high in healthy fats, avocados have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. The fats in avocados contribute to prolonged satiety, reducing excess calorie consumption. They also enhance insulin sensitivity in type 2 diabetes. Number 7. Apples. While apples contain sugar, their fructose content has a limited effect on blood sugar levels when consumed whole due to their fiber content. Fiber slows down sugar absorption, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar. Additionally, apple polyphenols aid carb digestion and blood sugar regulation. Incorporating these fruits into a diabetes-friendly diet offers both taste and health benefits. Remember that individual responses to foods can vary, so monitoring blood sugar levels after consumption is advisable for effective diabetes management.